Another weekend. Today we sold a piece of furniture on Marketplace. This thing. So we are gonna go deliver that today, this morning. And this weekend we have more family coming over, but they're bringing a new refrigerator for us. So no more old beat up refrigerator. So this one's gonna be cool. It's a lot bigger than that one, which will be nice, I guess, if it fits nicely in that little area. And that's about all we're gonna do this weekend. Organize some stuff, get things ready for guests, more guests. One of these weekends, we'll have a weekend where we don't have to do anything. Eventually that'll come. We just cleaned out our fridge.
Today is gooey.
Bob the builder here is gonna put our quarter round in because he knows what he's doing. And get some vlogging done.
Logging. Kenny Loggins.
Got all the pieces cut. Now we just gotta paint them to match the cabinets and install them. Yeah. Saturday morning, we got up early today in preparation for our fridge. Did chores to get things ready for that. And now we're gonna go for a walk. Nice morning. Plant is getting much bigger. This tree is massive.
I like how this thing is painted. Yeah, look up there. Oh, look, you should go right here and look up.
Yeah, this tree's cool.
They don't ever tear it down.
This is my high school, my old high school. Look at these.
Oh no.
Look at all of this. These are dead mayflies?
Dad said, is there anything else that we need to bring?
Nope.
Anything else to bring to you? Oh my gosh.
Crunch. Crunch. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
There's a bee eating them.
Such a pretty river.
I was thinking there's a trash can down here, but there's not. There's one right there too. I just didn't want this to fall in the river. Someone will pick it up. Someone will pick it up. People want 10 cents all the time. You just want to go up there? Yeah, let's go up that. They got a dunk tank over there.
Yeah, because we just did the relay for life here.
Oh.
Yesterday.
They really made this. Remember that when it was just dirt there and
Yeah.
just a
It had like one little area.
yeah. Oh, Schultz. We're gonna walk all the way around to that, down that bridge. Gratiot County, Michigan rocks on Facebook.
I don't know what the deal is with
Cujo.
you.
Huh? With you?
Yeah, I'm being so afraid of dogs. I would have thought that they would have just painted that building.
Are you gonna get? Is this gonna be like a photo op? You can stand in there and get your photo taken next to the shark.
Oh, yeah.
And there's gonna be lights on top of it, solar lights on it. That's gonna be cool. At night, it'll look like it's a real
Yeah.
shark.
That's so funny.
Back home.
Okay. I can plug it in.
Got it?
Yep. Are you gonna hit this high?
Nope. Trying to get it. That's as tight as it can get.
It's okay, it's not bad. Please stop. Oh, it's perfect. Whoa.
That's
A little slammy.
not too bad.
I don't think so. It's barely over. Is it crooked though?
Yeah, it is crooked. It's crooked.
How do you
Here.
straighten it out?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, don't do it. If it's gonna crack something.
No, see if it's hitting the side.
Yeah, it is. You can't. You're slamming it against the cupboard on the top. It's the cupboard.
That's even.
All right.
And that's touching the cupboard?
Yep.
Yep, down here. There it is. And this is where a trash can goes from now on.
It's so far away.
We'll put it under the sink at some point.
That's perfect.
We got our new fridge. It's a little bit bigger,
That's awesome.
but it's amazing. It fits all our stuff. I just have to put that bottom piece on. So I'm gonna do right now. There. This clip will not be going on it.
That's all right.
We got our fridge put in, and it's nice, and we love it. And that's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out all our other videos. Thank you.